Austin Metcalf was not just another athlete. He was a beacon of promise, shining brightly in both the world of football and academics. His extraordinary talent earned him the title of Team MVP, while his unwavering dedication to his studies allowed him to maintain an impressive 4.0 GPA. However, that promise quickly turned to despair when eyewitness accounts revealed that a confrontation spiraled out of control after the suspect was asked to leave the team's tent. This tragic event serves as a stark reminder of the volatile nature of youthful confrontations, where a moment's escalation can lead to devastating consequences. The suspect, Carmelo Anthony, now faces the harrowing weight of murder charges, claiming self-defense in the midst of this tragic incident. Yet, the circumstances surrounding the altercation may pose significant challenges for his defense, leaving many to wonder how the truth will unfold amidst such turmoil. For Austin's family, the grief is utterly palpable. They find themselves in a world forever changed, reflecting on the loss of a promising young athlete whose future was so tragically snatched away. The emotional tribute from his father resonates deeply, echoing the profound impact this tragedy has had on their lives. In the midst of this heart-wrenching situation, discussions surge around the legal implications of self-defense. It becomes clear that there is a pressing need for better education on what truly constitutes appropriate responses in conflict situations. A simple misunderstanding during a moment of heightened tension can unleash irrevocable outcomes. This case has ignited a significant public discourse on the alarming issue of youth violence and the intricate responsibilities that accompany conflict resolution. The community, grappling with the heavy weight of this senseless act, faces the daunting task of healing and understanding. During the discovery phase of the legal proceedings, the gathering of evidence and witness accounts becomes crucial. This process helps to illuminate the context of the self-defense claim, setting the stage for what lies ahead in the pursuit of justice. Yet, understanding self-defense laws can feel like traversing a minefield, as the interpretation varies significantly across different states. This inconsistency not only breeds confusion among individuals regarding their rights, but also influences the outcomes of various legal cases. The importance of education on self-defense laws cannot be overstated, particularly for those who choose to carry weapons. It is essential for individuals to grasp what constitutes reasonable self-defense to avert legal repercussions that could change their lives forever. Different states harbor unique self-defense laws. Florida's Stand Your Ground statutes stand in stark contrast to Texas's mandates for reasonable force. Understanding these critical differences becomes essential for anyone seeking to navigate the complex landscape of self-protection. Engaging in conversations with defendants charged with serious crimes can be an emotionally taxing experience. The repercussions extend far beyond the individual, reaching into the hearts and minds of their families, leaving a lasting emotional impact that resonates for years. In cases involving serious offenses like murder, bond amounts reflect the perceived danger posed to the community. The court weighs both the nature of the crime and the defendant's potential risk, a somber process that underscores the gravity of the situation. The legal distinction between juveniles and adults often blurs, especially when serious offenses are involved. Courts meticulously assess the severity of the crime, striving to determine the most appropriate jurisdiction to deliver justice. As the timeline for a trial unfolds, it can stretch extensively, sometimes encompassing months or even years. Serious crimes come with no statutes of limitations, allowing law enforcement ample time to meticulously build their case in the pursuit of truth and justice. Factors such as Carmelo's lack of a previous criminal record or his promising future may significantly influence sentencing, should he be found guilty. The courts often take mitigating circumstances into consideration during the punishment phase, pondering the complexities behind each individual case. Prosecutors typically engage with the victim's family regarding plea offers, seeking to gauge their feelings and ensure some semblance of satisfaction with the proposed sentence. This deliberate engagement reflects a level of consideration for the perspectives of those directly affected by the crime. In Texas, the law allows for a maximum sentence of up to 99 years for murder. However, The actual time served is contingent upon various factors, including the case's specifics and any mitigating circumstances that emerge during the legal process. Ultimately, education emerges as a vital component in preventing heat-of-the-moment crimes. Understanding the nuances of self-defense, along with fostering emotional control, is essential in ensuring that situations do not escalate into violence. It's about empowering individuals to navigate their emotions and conflicts with wisdom and restraint.